BRIEF-Sndl stock is quite volatile in this session of the 14th of November 2022. The gain is about 2.35%. At some point it was actually more than that. So about a week ago I presented this probabilities that it had the probability, a very high likelihood of remaining below 2.79%. As things stand right now in this session, that probability is in effect, but in the pre-market session the narrow probability that it will rise above $2.79 was achieved. You can see that. You can see that at this sort of level it was at $2.9. So that 5% or roughly 6% probability came through. But as things stand right now, it is now the biggest side, the flip side of that probability, which is that it is highly likely that it will continue to remain below 2.79. is in play at the moment. But also there's a news out there. The news is that the company has reported its quarterly report for the quarter that ended in September of this year, 2022. It says here Sndl Inc. It reported a quarterly adjusted loss of 41 cents per share for the quarter ended in September. The mean expectation of two analysts for the quarter was for a loss of 4 cents per share. Revenue rose 1,504% to 230 million Canadian dollars from a year ago. Analysts expected $228.17 million, so that was a beat. So Sndl Inc. reported earnings per share for the quarter with a loss of 41 cents per share. The mean earnings estimate of analysts had fallen by about 200% in the last 3 months. In the last 30 days, there have been no earnings estimate revisions by analysts covering the company. Sndl Inc. had risen 19.3% this quarter and lost 55% so far this year. The company reported a quarterly loss of 98.11 million Canadian dollars. Wall Street's median 12-month price target for Sndl is $3.91. The current average analyst rating on the shares is a buy, and the breakdown of recommendations is to strong buy or buy, to hold, and no sell or strong sell. Okay, so yes, that's what's going on with Sndl. Volume so far is 2.595 million shares. I think there is liquidity is quite poor. You can see that much of the orders going through, I think, are pretty much going in at the same price, So we can equally see this volatility that occurred here. This drop from this plunge from $2.88. Yeah, so as things stand right now, the probability that we had that it will remain below 2.79 is still valid, even though at some point it briefly that probability was the narrow probability that it will rise, came true. But right as things stand right now, things are decaying. The gains have all vanished as things stand right now. So Sndl down now, rather unchanged from what it closed at on the 11th of November, Friday the 11th. Something is happening. It's just collapsing and dropping away. Momentum is totally flat. RSI is equally flat as well. So see what you make of Sndl, and thank you very much for watching this video.